Hi friends! Today I would like to talk about importance of probiotic. Your healthy skin will start from your healthy gut. Probiotics are essential, especially if you have experienced any kind of acne breakouts or any kind of skin inflammation or discoloration. My grandma was Ukrainian healer and she used herbs and roots of different plants in order to heal skin. And so many people came to her with all forms of skin concerns, dermatitis, acne, you name it. First thing that she always did is to start each person with probiotic for 1 month. And after that, without even anything done with the face, people would come back to her and their skin already would be so much better. And then my grandma would start a treatment. So today I would like to share with you very simple recipe how you can make your own probiotic from the comfort of your home, DIY in your kitchen, that will not break a bank and will be super budget friendly and also very tasty, and I would highly recommend you to eat it every day. So for that we will need just 1 cabbage, 1 carrot, salt and sugar. Let's get started. So this is the cabbage. We're going to cut this cabbage really tiny. So just like that. The tinier, the better. This is a great texture to have it. We will let this cabbage to ferment in a room temperature. And cabbage, it's very important that cabbage will be mixed with carrots, because carrots and cabbage, when you mix them together, they produce very unique enzymes that influence on our gut in very special way. Cabbage by itself and carrot by itself will not do the trick. But when they are together, that's a great combination, and we will produce this very special enzyme that we need for our probiotic meal. Now, this probiotic also can be added into your daily smoothie. It will taste something like kimchi. I love to use it in a smoothie. I feel like every time when I do this smoothie in the morning with a probiotic, I'm honestly losing weight. And then I also can eat this fermented cabbage with mashed potato, with fish patties. I can add it to different salads. And once you try it, you will know exactly how you can eat it. Okay, so I will not cut a lot. I just will show you how to prepare it correct. But usually if you're doing it at home, my cabbage was pretty big, so I took kind of like a half, right? So on 1 middle cabbage you need 1 big carrot, and this carrot need to be shredded, so it will be our next step. This is my carrot and this is my shredder. Now we're going to shred a carrot just like that, and then we're going to mix it together. Now please, it's done. Now, our carrot and cabbage, we need to mix it in a glass bowl, just glass, not metal, not plastic, but just glass. This is my glass bowl. I'm going to put there our carrots and our cabbage. Now we have our special mixture. Now, for middle cabbage and 1 medium carrot, you will need 1 teaspoon of salt without the heel. So usually teaspoon is a half of tablespoon. So that will be probably the salt that I'm going to use. That's how much salt I'm going to use. So I will put it on top. It will be the same with the sugar. Same amount of sugar. Sugar will help to form this unique bacteria that our gut need for right digestion. So that's how much sugar I will put to this recipe. And I'm going to massage and mix up my carrots and cabbage with my hands. It's much better than fork. You want to kind of like press the cabbage so it gets the juice out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Usually this mixture looks like you have more cabbage and a little bit less carrots, but because I did not cut all my cabbage, but I shredded all carrots, so it's kind of like more or less more saturated with carrots, but usually it needs to be more cabbage. And now this mixture you're going to leave in a room temperature for 3 days. We need to create some pressure, and this pressure need to be created with another glass container. So you can take a little glass plate or a little glass bowl, put on top, and then to put some weight on it. So it will be like a lot of pressure. And then it will just stay in your kitchen in front of you. Please do not put it to the fridge. And every time when you see this mixture, like 2-3 times every day, take a little spatula and just make a little holes so oxygen can circulate. It's very important to create this entrance for oxygen. Take a spoon, right? But if you have something that it's more sharp, you can do it. But even if you take a spoon, you just will do like a little entrance in your mixture. And now we will put pressure on it. So for pressure, I will use my other glass bowl. Just put it this way. And then on top, pretty heavy, but if you have like a gallon of water, will be even better. But that's how I will create the pressure. And I will put this mixture just in front of me, and then every day, like 2 times a day, 2-3 times a day, I would just take like a little, like a toothpick, for example, but maybe a little bit longer, and I would just create a little holes for oxygen to penetrate inside. And we need to wait 3 days. And then after 3 days, I have one cabbage that I just did 3 days ago, so I will show you how it looks, and I will show how you store it. Okay, friends, so this is a cabbage that I did 3 days ago. That's how it will look. I just want to show it really clear. That's how it will look. It tastes like a sauerkraut, kind of like kimchi, but kimchi they usually do a little spicy, but this one is not spicy, but really great combination of fermentation, sugar and salt. It's so tasty. I even can eat it just without anything. You know, you feel this fermentation taste and your gut will absolutely love it. Then I would advise you to replace it in a clean glass container and store it in the fridge. And then every day try to eat more or less that amount minimum. But if you can do a little bigger amount, for example, like that will be amazing, and you will start to feel difference on your skin, even if you will not do any treatments or facial. But of course, probiotics work very well with topical treatments. So when you combine probiotics and active ingredients that kill bacteria and heal inflammation on your skin, you will see results so much faster. But probiotic is essential, and I would highly recommend you to try cabbage and carrots, do your own probiotic, and feel how you heal from inside. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.